Welcome to the Flavor of the Month. I'm Frank Costella Jr., President and CEO of the Dutchess County Regional Chamber of Commerce, and I'm so happy to bring you this month's flavor, Juan Murphy's Irish Pub and Mexican Grub. I'm here today with Grellen Morris, co-owner of Juan Murphy's, and I want to thank you so much for coming in and being our Flavor of the Month. What is Juan Murphy's?
Juan Murphy's is a concept myself and my brother-in-law Costa came up with, and it was to open an Irish pub and concentrate on doing good Irish food, but also concentrate on doing good Mexican, proper Spanish food. As opposed to just having Irish food, we're concentrating on putting out a really good product, which is the Spanish food as well.
And I absolutely love that concept because I'm not a huge Mexican fan, although I'll eat it and I like it. My wife loves it, and I love Irish food, but she won't touch it.
Well, that's what we were trying to hit on.
This is absolutely perfect. My favorite menu item that you have, the Irish spring rolls, I think is probably the most popular item that you have. What are the most popular items that you have on your menu?
We sell, in the wintertime, we sell a little bit more of the Irish food. And in the summer, I'm beginning to notice that we're selling a lot more of the Spanish food, quesadillas, lots of nachos. And then in the winter, people tend to go more for the stews, Irish stew, bangers and mash. But I've noticed that the Spanish food, definitely when the weather gets a bit better, the Spanish food is definitely selling a lot more.
Great location, Main Street, Poughkeepsie, right off of Raymond Avenue, near Vassar College.
Right there by Vassar, yeah, we get a lot of the Vassar people up to see us a lot.
Yeah, and tell me, how did you get into this business? I mean, what made you think, restaurant?
Originally, I started out as a chef a long, long time ago. I trained in London. I lived over on the West Coast in San Francisco. I cooked out there. And I moved to New York, and I started managing bars in Midtown. And after that, I met my wife, we got married. She's originally from Poughkeepsie, and the opportunity came up here. The property became available. It used to be the old Dubliner. It became available, and the rest is history, really. We just looked at the property, everything looked right, so we said we'd make the move from the city up to Poughkeepsie.
A lot of creativity, it sounds like. Just everything that has gone into it. A lot of work, a lot of effort. I know that restaurateurs are probably some of the hardest working people in the world.
A lot of hours.
A lot of hours. How many years have you been in business?
We're coming up to our first year. In September, we'll be open a full year. We're still only in the baby stage of the restaurant, but it's going okay.
I hear there's a little bit of a local nightlife there, and there's quite a bit of events that are happening. Tell us about it.
We try to concentrate on getting good local acts, good bands, Friday and Saturday especially. So Friday night live music, Saturday live music, and then every other Saturday we have a DJ. So we try and mix it up between live music and DJ on Saturday, and then Friday night is just exclusively live music.
Of course, you have a great bar crowd there too. A lot of beer on tap.
Yeah, 23 different beers.
23.
And we hold 10 lines back just for local beers, like North River, Sloop. There's some great beer companies up here in the Hudson Valley at the moment, so we're trying to promote them as well,
So if any of our viewers want to go to your website and look at your menu, what's your website? Tell them what it is.
JuanMurphys.com.
JuanMurphys.com.
It's as simple as
Simple
that.
enough.
Yeah.
Well, Grellen, thank you so much for coming in and joining us here on the Flavor of the Month. That's all we have time for here on this month's Flavor of the Month, but tune in next time. We'll have some great food and great advice for you on where to eat in and around the valley. Thanks for joining.